Okay, here we're gonna have a window regulator inside, which is pretty valuable. So you take it off with this bad boy. Mine's all fucked, but it still works. Don't know which number it is. And hopefully, well, not hopefully, there isn't any other way of getting to it. So by removing all this, it should be easy to get to it. Okay, now that you've undone this bit, so you can see the motor and all the bits in there, you need to undo the motor. So that's secured onto this bolt here. 1, 2, 3, I think 3. So let's undo them. Okay, now you are ready to pull all this out. Basically, these bolts are gonna get in the way, so I've just screwed them right in. I'm gonna use 2 hands, so just pull it out really without breaking it. Here you are, E36 convertible window regulator. So nothing left in there, so let's just do the other side.